What if you invest just $100 in a USA stock? Let's say you choose a strong company like Apple.
You buy shares using a stock app. Day 1, your money stays $100.
After 3 months, price starts rising.
Now your $100 becomes $105.
Some days market goes down too. But you stay patient. After 6 months, it grows to $110. You also earn small dividends.
Reinvesting makes it stronger.
Market keeps moving up and down. But strong companies grow over time.
After 9 months, it hits $115.
Finally, 1 full year passes. Your investment becomes around $120. That's 20% growth in 1 year. Imagine investing more and staying long-term. Small money today can become big tomorrow. Start investing smart.